what's been keeping me up and messing up my routine. This is the fairy house. So I kind of put these beads up to mimic like rainfall. I still have to clean them up because I did clay too. I put clay all around this bottom, this was a pickle jar, by the way. This is a pickle jar. So it's like a legit hollow pickle jar that I put styrofoam on top to make a freaking roof type thing. I made like a whole like I want this to be like a open like windows type situation. I put ladders here. I need to secure this right here. Yeah, like I cut up popsicle sticks and made like wooden little planks, made a door. I made a window that opens and closes. I need to clean all this stuff up. It's clay. I put like my resin flower inside of it. There's fences. I put a grass. It's like it's literally ribbon. Legit ribbon, like knitting ribbon, clothing ribbon. And it reminded me of grass. So I bought it like a few months ago, and then I was like, oh my god, this is a perfect project for this. So there's a pickle jar and then styrofoam bottom, and then I just glued the styrofoam and the pickle jar, and then I glued it together, put the grass on top, worked on the fence, added some windows, styrofoam windows, colored it brown, and then put some clay wall. I still have to paint everything, so it's not even done. Like the white spots and everything, they're from the clay. And I put a light inside. Look how cute. Okay, I might have to fix that scratch, but oh my gosh, look, it's lit up. Like I put a ladder, I need to attach that. I might have to, I'm wondering if I should just cover this up with clay or not. Or that looks cool, like with the light showing through. There's another window right here. I made it like a leafy window. And this, because I wanted it to be like a door / window for it to open up. And that's why I put like a flower inside. That's really cool. I had to clean this up. But yeah, it's like a window. I made like a whole window pan for it. That's what I've been working on. I'm just bored, to be honest. I'm just waiting for a job. So this is what I'm doing instead. Yeah, a little fairy house / house from my other collection. It's crazy. But I'm just bored and I have these stuff laying around. Like I have the styrofoam laying around. I have so much. I have 2 boxes of clay. And I had like pickle jars and stuff. So I was like, let me just make that into a house. This is what I've been working on, guys. Yeah, it's like a raindrop situation going on all around. But yeah, this is what I've been working on. Close this, attach this, close the light, and yeah.